Hi Josh, this is Josh out at Encore Mustang Parts. I just wanted to show you this harness before I box it up to ship out to you. It's actually in excellent condition, exactly as promised. I even included what normally is a separate piece here, which is the AC clutch harness. I didn't know if you needed that or not, but it's connected here to the end of the mass air harness, and I'll show you all the important things with it. I only see 2 broken clips on the entire harness, no wire taps, no butt connectors or anything like that. This is over by the starter solenoid, and the power, the ground, the ignition coil here, clips intact on everything. Here where it connects to the dashboard is all good. This is the EEC test port here, and these are intact and good. A lot of the factory plastic is here, if not all of it. Up here going towards the map sensor is intact, good condition. Salt and pepper shakers here for the fuel injector harness are missing 1 clip on the back of the black side here, but that's 7 out of 8, so that's pretty good. Getting down here towards the distributor, this is one where you'll know it's a 92.3 only harness just by the shape of this actual plastic connector here. It only looked like that in those 2 years. This is all good inside and out. Here's over where the emissions and tab tad and air conditioning can pressure switch are. So all of these are here with every clip, even the ones that normally break half of a clip. All the pieces are there. Here's the part number tag. Starts with an F2. You can see that real easily there, but that's how you know that's 92 and 93. The grommet is in good shape here. This is still in the engine compartment going over towards the mass air meter. Both pieces of that clip are there. There's an airbag sensor in good condition. This is another one with just an extra male on there I might take off, get out of your way. O2 harness, clip is good, pins are all in good condition, the harness is good. This has a little chip out of this relay corner here on this plug, but I'm going to leave these relays on here for you also. I'm not sure if you need them or not. Probably do though. So being that you paid for a grade A and I've got a little chip there and a 1 clip missing there, I'm going to leave it as complete as I absolutely can for you. You get the this. Now we're down into the kick panel. This will be the relay for the actual EEC. I think it's the turn-on power relay. And I looked these wires over pretty good. That can get cut going through the firewall. I didn't see anything major or any exposed copper. Give everything just another once over before you actually put it in. And then getting down here towards the actual 60-pin connector, it's all in excellent condition. It's got the factory ground terminal here, and all the clips and the pins appear to be in good condition. So that's your 92 to 93 grade A engine harness, and I hope you'll agree it's in good condition, and I'm going to get it boxed up now and get you this video. So thanks again for your business, and I'll talk to you soon.